What?
Even if birds are preserved, not touched for hundreds of years, how
I don't know yet, Jack. We're in bad trouble down there. Keep walking, go. ABC Mart. A bunch of these hubs, British pubs everywhere. Hubs. In the Big Echo. They won't let us in the Big Echo. That sucks. That would have been fun. Look at all these people. All right, so now here it goes. Here's the busy Shinjuku, where are we? This is my favorite neighborhood so far, Shibuya. Although I like Akasusa too. But Akasusa. Look at this craziness. Look at this. I think this is the busiest intersection in the world. Look how many people are
You should
here.
have gone up there when it was nighttime, Dad.
Where?
Up at the top.
I know. What? Hey, so you guys still there? I'm trying to get pictures. Take off your mask so I can see your face, buddy. What? What? I think we missed that, dude. I don't know if we can get back up.
Didn't it? He's talking about the thing you took to.
Look at this place. This is crazy. This is fucking nuts. Look at this. So this guy's filming too over here. He's like, wow. Oh shit. So many people here. No blondes here, I'll tell you that. Oh no, there's one. Right there. There she is. Would I rather live here or Havasu?
Yeah.
I love Havasu, but I think I would rather live here, permanently, forever.
Well, just for like, how long are you thinking until you out of house?
Oh, I don't know. I could do a year or two here. This is pretty cool.
3 years?
Crazy. Yeah,
I
a year or
can do my
two.
life.
I can do a year or two.
Look.
We were on top of that building today. What?
I look stupid.
You look handsome. You're the most handsome guy I know, JJ.
もうやだもうやだ帰る
最高お兄さん。
Crazy. Crazy!
Take good pictures, not your big head.
Have a big head?